So you're wondering, is Sara Finance's affiliate marketing course legit? And is it worth the $297? Well, I'm going to dive in and let you know exactly what I think about Sara Finance's course, if Sara Finance is legit, and if this is going to be worth you spending a little less than $300. So first things first, the truth is that Sara Finance is huge when it comes to affiliate marketing, especially when it comes to YouTube. If you take a look at her YouTube channel, her videos on affiliate marketing get literally millions of views. So that's probably how you found her, is she is massive in the affiliate marketing space right now. So I want to let you know again, is she actually legitimate and can she actually help you make money with affiliate marketing? But the truth is, if you are a beginner to affiliate marketing, what you're going to learn inside of her course is going to be valuable. It is very beginner friendly, it's step by step. You're going to learn the basics of affiliate marketing, how to find affiliate links, how to build basic websites to promote your affiliate links, and then how to do basic marketing. As she mentions here, she shows you Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and how to make viral content, how to build a brand like her brand Sara Finance, and then she teaches you how to scale up by either building an online brand or a personal brand, how to outsource your content, and how to use paid ads. So overall, the course for $297, if you are a beginner, is probably going to be worth it. If you are somebody with a little bit more experience like myself, who's been doing this for a long time, the information that you're going to find inside isn't going to be anything new or groundbreaking. But again, if you are a complete beginner, it's probably going to be worth the $297. However, I do believe there are better courses out there with a lot more information for either slightly cheaper, or if you're willing to spend $497, there are courses out there that give you so much more value than what you're going to get in here that it's worth the additional $200. However, if you like Sara Finance and you want to spend $300 to learn from her, you can. Her website you can find on her YouTube channel, or I might leave a link down below. Because if you notice here, once you join her course, you'll be given some exclusive private affiliate links, which are just going to be affiliate links to this course here and to her dropshipping course, so that you can make a little bit over $100 for referring somebody to her program. So, in conclusion, do I recommend this? Yes, if you are a complete beginner. However, notice that there is no refund policy. So if you try to get a refund, you're not going to get one. So you want to make sure that if you really want to spend this $300, just know there's no refunds. But the information for beginners is worth it. If you're a complete beginner to affiliate marketing, it is going to save you a lot of time and hassle trying to figure out what methods work. However, like I said, I will leave some links down below to trainings that I think would be better for you. One is going to be paid, one is going to be free. However, the free one will have something for you to buy at the end of the course, and the paid one is going to give you all of the information you would ever need to build a thriving business online. With that being said, that's my review of Sara Finance's affiliate marketing course. If you have any questions, of always, let me know in the comment section down below. If you found this valuable, hit the thumbs up button, and I will catch you in the next one.